This is a message from the government of the United States. Due to an anomaly of unknown origins, the entire population of New York City has begun to rise into the air. Casualties are currently standing at 6 million, although this number is likely to rise in the future. The bodies appear to be covered in a yellow liquid resembling olive oil, which we believe is also causing the levitation effect. Until further notice, martial law is to be declared across the entire United States. All citizens of the United States are to stay indoors. If you have a yellow liquid resembling oil on your skin, call 911 immediately. Do not call 911 for any other purpose unless it is life-threatening, as we predict resources may become extremely scarce in the future. Effective immediately, New York City and its surrounding area are to be cut off from the rest of the United States by means of a military blockade. Utilities in New York City and its surrounding area will be cut shortly. Although these measures may seem drastic, they are necessary to prevent further contamination of the yellow liquid. Do not attempt to enter the quarantined area, or else you will encounter military resistance. Further updates will be issued later. Keep in mind that the government is dedicated to saving lives and protecting the American people. There will be tough times ahead, but America will endure. The national anthem will now be played.